Alright guys, welcome back. Today is December 19th. We're gonna go ahead and get into door number 19 and see what it is. It's green, it looks promising. Number 19, we have Miracle on Jalapeno Street, Jalapeno Pepper Hot Sauce. A fragrant and delightful flavorful hot sauce that adds a mild tangy taste that will enhance any dish. Santa's special jalapeno sauce is a must-have kitchen staple. Alright, let's go ahead and open this. I'm a big fan of jalapeno sauces, so can't wait to try this. It has not much of a smell to it other than vinegar. It has a very green jalapeno taste to it and a vinegary taste. A little bit of heat, it's not too spicy. It's a little bit too vinegary for my liking of jalapeno hot sauce. On the third spoonful, it tastes alright. I like it. Tastes like a green jalapeno. Here is Miracle on Jalapeno Street. It has distilled vinegar, aged green jalapeno peppers, salt, xanthan gum, citrus, and absorbic acid. Get one more taste. Alright, thanks for watching today. Come back tomorrow. We'll do door number 20.